So here is the new location for the model Troy Bilt TB230 lawnmower that I got here recently for my moving sale. Self-propelled mower. It's going to replace this one, this great Troy Bilt mower down here at Emerald Isle Beach, North Carolina. Going to use it for this little bitty yard. It is overkill, but she has been wanting a self-propelled lawnmower, and this is probably about the best you could ever find right here, with the classic Briggs & Stratton engine on it, not the newer ones that they have today. Rarely use this, just in great condition. So I got a bow on this, going to give her a big surprise when she arrives to see this. She's down here more than I, and what better present can you give your loved one than a brand new used Craigslist lawnmower? So we got to gas this up and give it a start, make sure it still starts. It's empty. I changed the oil and air filter in this, and I think she's really going to like this. And our grass needs cutting really bad as well. So let's put some gas in this and give it a start, make sure it's going to be ready, and we'll let her do the first cut with the grass here with this brand new used TB230 lawnmower. So I got it gassed up and ready to go, and we'll see if we can find a new owner for this really nice Troy Bilt down here at Emerald Isle. If not, I'll bring this back home. Still in great shape. This one has the classic, it's a 725 series engine, Briggs & Stratton engine. And let's give it a start here since we got gas in here now. And a sock works perfectly for tying the handle down. Here we go, first start down at Emerald Isle, gassed up. Ready to go.